Hello everyone. I'm going to tell you how to create a quiz in quizzes.com. For creation a quiz, open quizzes.com website. You know the address quizzizz.com. Here you will get a login link here at the bottom of get started button. Click on login, and as you have created your quizzes account with Google account, so login also with the same account. Click on login with Google. Now select the Google account which you have used to create the account for quizzes. Now you logged in, and after logging in you have to click on create a new quiz option. There are two links given for the same purpose. Create a new quiz at the top ribbon, and at the left hand side you are also having one more option. Create the same option with the link create a new quiz. You can use any of this. Click on it. After clicking on this option you will get the creation. Step 1, name the quiz. I am giving the name class 1 science. Okay, now the subject is science. If you are not having the any other subject which is related to this subject, you can click on more option to say more options. But if you will not get any your subject in this list, you can click on other option. Okay, click on next button. After clicking on next button you will get the quiz editor. There are there are 5 types of question. First is multiple choice for MCQ, checkbox for multiple answers for for any question, and fill in the blanks is fill up. Poll is just like have you enjoyed the quiz, yes or no. So if you need any survey type of thing, then you can use the poll. And open ended is the paragraph descriptive answer type of questions. Quizzes will grade it as correct answer always. So if you need to do manual checking, you can use this, otherwise it is not useful for you. So I am clicking on the multiple choice question first to create my question. I have clicked on it. This is the science quiz for class 2. So I am giving the first option. How many sense organs do you have? Now answer is 2, 3, 4, 5. You can add more options as well. If you need to add image, you can add images. If you need to add image with the question, you can click on it to add image. If you are doing any mathematical quiz, then you can add maths equation by clicking on this formula option. For senior section you need this, and with this option you can add audio as well as image. Click on this, you will get both the option image and audio. For audio, you can record the audio or you can upload the audio of maximum 10 seconds. And for image, you can add the image by uploading it just from your device, or you can paste the link for the image here. But you can do only any one of these two. So suppose I want to add an audio. I am clicking on this. When I will click on the microphone, then I will get a countdown of 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, you can start the recording. So the question is how many sense organs do you have? So I am clicking on it to record the audio. How many sense organs do you have? Now after completing it, you can sense organs do you have and save it. Now your question is ready, options are ready. Now you have to tick on the correct answer. The answer is how many sense organs do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click on the right answer and click on the save. Okay, you are having a time limiter for the question also. If you need to give any time limit for the question, you can give. By default it is of 30 seconds, so you have to give the time limit. Without time limiter it is not allowed in quizzes, so you can increase or decrease. So click on save button. After clicking on save button, the question is saved and ready. So if you need to duplicate it, you can duplicate it and make the changes in another question to make it new question. And one more thing is there, teleport means already there are many quizzes created in quizzes, and you can take any question from them and add it in your quiz. Click on teleport. As I have given it class 1 science title, so according to this title there are many question will be displayed on the screen. So a person, class 1 environment science. The environment contains living things only, non-living things only, both living and non-living, non-living and natural resources. Okay, body parts भी दे सकते थे हम यहाँ पे. Just trying. Oh wait. If I will change the title of my quiz, like body part, etc., then I can get the more options, but I have given the wrong title, that's why I'm not getting the correct questions. Okay, whatever it is. Science rules, science only, physical science class 1C. What is there? No. Life science. Because of wrong title, I am not getting the correct questions. Science class 1. The body part. Suppose I'm trying for science tryout one. Checking there. No. Okay, you have to give the correct title so that you can easily get the questions. I'm just giving you an explanation. Suppose you want to add this question, the environment contains living, non-living, both or only artificial things. You can add this. And any other question available here? Get amount of resources. Nothing is available for class 1 actually. So these are the Olympiad questions. Okay, which sense organ help us to see? And help us to hear. Which sense organ? Yes, these are the class 2 quizzes question. Okay, it's good. Skin help us to. Skin help us to good. Then how many sense organ ये हम कर चुके हैं. Next is EVS means good. Environment science, EVS. So this way you can add questions from already created quizzes. Okay, I'm stopping here. 10 questions teleported and I have added one question. Okay, one more I am doing so that you can get 10 question quiz. You should wash your hand before eating. Okay, add. Now, so these are the questions. Ready? So if you need to edit anything, suppose you want to add picture, suppose you want to add audio, or you want to make any changes in these quizzes, you can do. And after completing, you have to save this. It's already now. Okay, now click on save. And after, before saving, you can add a title image with your picture. Okay, I am trying to find a picture related to science clip art. human body. Suppose this is a picture which I want to use with my quiz. Right click on the picture, click on the option copy image address, and with the quiz editor you can paste your image link here. So this way you can add this title image to your quiz. Now language is by default English, it's okay. Now grade, which grade you want to select for this quiz. Now 1 and 2 and public viewing or private, whatever you need you can do, and click on save button. After saving, the quiz is ready to share, and you can try, you can preview it and you can share the link. Here the practice option is available with green color. With the arrow option you will get, with the arrow key, arrow just with the practice button, you have two options, play and share practice link. With play you can preview it, click on play option and see the view of the quiz. Now quiz is ready, it's uploading. Now after uploading you will get this panel. Suppose you want to read aloud, you can click on this option, and power up, MEMS, timer. Or if you want to try the quiz without timer, you can click the timer off, and now play.
Question: the environment contains Option 1, both living and non-living things. Option 2, non-living things, abiotic, only. Option 3, living things, biotic, only.
Click on the right option, this way you can proceed. It will show you the music on off option, zoom in, zoom out.
Question:
read aloud.
EVS means Option 1, social studies. Option 2,
it will show you the
question:
dashboard also, where
change.
you are standing.
Option 1, taste. Option 2, hear.
For the right answer, the bar is upgrading. 3 right answers here. 3. It is showing the right answers. And you will get the power. How many sense organs do you have? As I have recorded in this question, that's why read aloud option is not worked here. As already there is an audio. So if you don't want to record audio, already there is the read aloud option. Okay, timer is going on, so I have to click the option.
Question: which is not a part of our body? Option 1, leg. Question: which sense organ helps us to hear? Question: which sense organ helps us to see? Question: we should wash our hands before.
All done. So this way students can play. Now if you are satisfied with the quiz, then you can go back and again click on the same arrow just after the practice button and click on the second option, share practice link. This is the link which you have to share with your student. You can copy link and then you can share in Google Classroom or WhatsApp, wherever you want, and Microsoft Team and other platforms. And if you directly want to add it in Google Classroom, then you can click on Google Classroom as well. So I am clicking on copy link so that I can try again and again, then post it in Google Classroom. So I have copied and I am showing you how I am posting it in the WhatsApp. This is the quiz which is posted in WhatsApp group. Now suppose you want to post it in Google Classroom, click on Google Classroom. And as you have clicked on Google Classroom, the same email ID is used to open the Google Classroom. And with this, I'm using my virtual classroom just for demonstration. I have created in Google Classwork, create, and then quiz assignment and close this default blank quiz, click on add, click on link and paste the link here. Add it. So this way you can add the quiz here also. Give title, instruction and post it. Okay. Now try this, and if you have facing any problem, you can share your queries in the WhatsApp. Thank you.